Welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious juicy homemade meatballs served with soft buttery potatoes. A simple comforting meal for your whole family. So we start by pouring in the potatoes into the pan. Pour in some little oil for it to fry. Stir in the potatoes. Add some salt. Add some spices to taste. Stir in the spices. Add some cinnamon. Stir to taste. Chop some onions, spring onions and green pepper as you continue frying the potatoes. The meatballs are here, so continue frying your potatoes. Keep stirring. Add some garlic and ginger that you've ground. So there we go. We've chopped some carrots, we'll add at the end. Add the onions and green pepper. Stir in with the garlic and ginger. Add chopped tomatoes. Spread them across. Add some water so that the tomatoes can cook. Cover for them to simmer.
What did you just say to me?
After some time, just check on them. Can crush the tomatoes. Add the tomato paste to make the soup nice. Mix in. It's time for the meatballs. Add the meatballs. There you go. Make sure that the meatballs are inside the soup so that they cook. There you go. Add carrots as a last resort so that they don't overcook and become tasteless. Cover for a few minutes and there we go. Serve your soft buttery potatoes with these juicy homemade meatballs. Just look at that. Amazing. Thank you for watching. If you love simple, delicious meals like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next recipe. Bye.